Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Cab Over America, wireless running lights. Hinkle Corporation, reimagining and improving life every day. Bulldog Adhesion Promoter, save time and money with Bulldog. And by Detail King, your one-stop shop for professional detailing supplies, equipment, and training.
All right, look what I have here. This stuff's as good as gold. The price of gasoline, as you know, keeps going up and up and up, and fuel efficiency, Pasha, is more important. How can Tribotex help me in the fuel efficiency department?
With one simple application, you can save a few percent over 40,000 miles and more. But in some other applications, like when your engine are mostly idle, you can save in tens of the percents. Even 20% we've seen at max at low loaded generations like a genset. You know, when you have a 10 kilowatt generator lighting up few LED lights, most of it is running just overcoming its own friction. You eliminate friction, you eliminate wasteful losses of fuel.
I see police departments, a lot of cars, they're idling a lot, emergency vehicles and that sort of thing.
Or just people sitting in traffic.
Makes a lot of sense on your daily commute. You can save a lot of gas that way. Heat also becomes the enemy of every engine. How does Tribotex dissipate heat?
Yeah, when you tow it, or again, transmission generate heat mostly from friction. Again, less friction, more longevity in transmission, and more energy to tow the cargo.
And you told me an interesting story about the military, why they love Tribotex, because it dissipates the heat. Why is it important to them?
For military, it's important because heat signature in vehicles, that's how enemy would target the car. If you reduce that heat signature, enemy can't see it, they can't shoot you.
Pretty amazing stuff. Tribotex is the real deal. You can check out all the technology at tribotex.com. You get some for yourself as well.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Hey Motorheads, you know, a few weeks ago, I told you about things you can get under with the Magic Creeper. Of course, you can work on your car and use it for roadside assistance and all kinds of other uses. Well, this week we're going to talk about things you can get over with the Magic Creeper, because you know, a traditional creeper has casters on it. It's about 4 or 5 inches off the ground, so that leaves you no clearance under a vehicle unless you jack it way up. If you have any obstacle, any roots or trees or rocks, there's no way it's going to be able to move across the ground. With the Magic Creeper, you can get over bumpy or cracked garage floors. You know, even you get a little pebble sometimes under your creeper, and it stops you in your tracks, and that can be pretty jarring and really inconvenient. It can waste a lot of time. You can get over grass and roots. Maybe you're literally a shade tree mechanic working on a vehicle out in your yard. The Magic Creeper sails right over roots, sails right over grass. You won't even know it's there. Of course, a traditional creeper, there's no way it's going to roll all over that. Let's talk about mud. The Magic Creeper gets dirty, you do not. It stays on the ground, you roll across the Magic Creeper. When you're done, just pick up the Magic Creeper, you use your favorite cleaning solution, and it'll clean right up, hang it to dry, and you're good to go. The Magic Creeper is famous for being able to roll over tools. Maybe you drop a wrench or a screwdriver, something like that. Don't worry about it. It's not like your creeper's gonna get hung up on it. The Magic Creeper sails right over those. Don't even notice that they are there either. So whether you're using it to get over stuff or under stuff, the Magic Creeper is going to be your best friend. And oh, by the way, one of my favorite uses as a kneeling pad. Instead of wearing knee pads to do a construction project or something around the house, just put the Magic Creeper down. You can kick it around and just kneel on it whenever you need to. Your knees are going to be really glad you did it. Find the Magic Creeper at magiccreeper.com, except no substitutes. By the way, you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings next week, because we're going to do the same thing, bring you more cool products and more cool stuff for your vehicle. It's like taking a trip to SEMA every single week. So for our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, we'll see you next time. So long.